Hello everybody, I'm Adrian, and here I got a 2025 F150. This one is a Lariat, so this is the highest trim that you can still get a V8 on. The King Ranch and the Platinums, you can't get the V8s no more, so this is a Lariat, but it does have pretty much every spec you can get. So I'll be doing a lot more videos on this. So the standard price for the Lariat with the destination charge is $66K. This one has the black appearance package, which was another $1250. And what I really liked about that is the black exhaust tips, the dual exhaust. So like my 2002 has the dual exhaust pipes, so I like that they come out of here. So with the black appearance package, that's how they come. So in this truck also has the tech package. It's called the 502. So that is the highest option on the. We get the Bang & Olufsen 14 speakers with the subwoofer. This one will also have the heads-up display. Got the $14.95 option for the full moonroof. Also had a dealer install accessory, the $430 option for the safe. So put some stuff in there and lock it. With that tech package, we also get heated rear seats. I'm not sure where the subwoofer's at, but yeah, that 14 speaker system will probably sound really nice. So yeah, on the normal Lariat, they don't have the push button start, so those are all packages. This was another option. But yeah, I really like it. All blacked out. Let's check out the engine. .5. So we got us a 5.0. Yeah, I think it's a shame the way the manufacturers are just downsizing. Seems like V8s are being phased out, and I'm a big fan of the V8s. So this is the only way to go now, is with the Lariat. But I'm excited to see later on, after breaking in the engine, see what kind of sound this one makes. So yeah, the standard model will come with the 331 gears. So this one was spec'd with the 373. So get a little more power out of it. And I mean, later there's still the option of the FP700 package to put a supercharger on this, but we'll see. Oh, it also has the off-road package that was, I think, another $1,000. So this was another extra $550 for the logos to light up. So I'll make some videos to see whether that was worth it or not, on how they light up at night. 95 miles. Live in the dealership. I don't know if it can be seen on the camera, but we got the heads-up display. I think that's pretty nice. So live in the dealership now. The truck's got 95 miles, so gonna take it
at the stop sign. Turn right onto West Main Street.
Gonna take it easy. Break the engine in. So gonna take some side roads. Drive the engine through its various RPMs. So I could take the highway, but when the engine's getting broken, it's best not to keep.
At the light, turn left onto Horton Street.
It's best not to keep it
onto West Athens Street.
At a steady RPM. I'm really loving that heads-up display. So with the high-tech package, that was the way to get the heads-up display. Even though this one's a Lariat, it does have the packages that you could get in, like a Platinum and the King Ranch. But unfortunately, just the way the emissions are going, you can't get Platinums or King Ranch with the V8 anymore. They're really pushing the V6s, and I've always been a big fan of the V8s. I think the sound just sounds so much better. So the only other way to do it is to spec a Lariat. That's the highest trim you can get now. Well, then there's still the Shelbys, but that's a separate thing. Or the Raptor with the 5.2 Bluetooth. So that was about 3,500 RPMs. But yeah, it's crazy how expensive the F-150s have gotten. So the base price of the Lariat, no options with the delivery charge, it's like right around 66,000. And then like the moonroof was right around 1,500. The off-road package, I think 1,000, 1,100, something like that. And then you got the black appearance package, like 1,250. And the technology package, that one's the real expensive one. It's like 7,700, I believe. So with that, we got the, and I'm not sure if this is all the list, but this is some that come to mind. The main one, you get that 14 speakers, get the heads-up display on the rear seats. We get the heated seats, get the remote push button start, the tow hooks, oh yeah, adjustable pedals, a couple other things. So prices, and then that right there by itself pushes you to 70,000, over 70. And then on this one, got the bed liner, got the bed cover. So at that point we're up to 83, and then it still needs that grill at the back. So like if I go to the grocery store, so your goods don't roll forward. So I remember how the Shelbys like 2 years ago were like for 120, and now they're like 140. And the reason I bring the Shelby in this conversation is because the Shelbys are based off a Lariat trim, so something like this, and then the Shelby does their supercharger. So yeah, I'll make more videos about this truck. Get on the truck a little bit more. Right now it's only got 100 miles, so I'm trying to be easy with it, with the braking, with the acceleration. But once it gets broke in, be able to drive it a little more aggressive, see how the engine sounds, how the truck responds. So stay tuned for more videos. Let me know what you guys want to see.